Hi everyone, this is Andrew from Differentia Consulting. Welcome to the first in a series of short videos where I'll show you some great tips and features of Qlik. I hope you'll enjoy watching them, and we do welcome your feedback. So to save time, let's get started. The Qlik Associative Engine will already be known to many of you. For those of you that are new to Qlik, if I select data of interest, it turns green. Everything associated with that selection turns white. Everything you can still select in that same context is light grey or alternative, so I can easily add in some additional customers of interest. You can see I now have selected 10 customers. And finally, everything not associated with my selection is dark grey for excluded. This is Qlik's unique associative engine at play, and the power of grey. Unlike competitors, it truly does give insights into information you do not know. But many people aren't aware that you can easily do bulk selections as well. Imagine the scenario where you might have a spreadsheet of customers of interest and way too many to select manually as I did, so why not just paste them in? Let me show you how to do that. I'll clear my data selections I made a second ago and go into an Excel spreadsheet where I have a list of customer IDs. I'll copy them into the clipboard and I'll paste them into the customer ID filter pane. Press return, 50 customers selected. How cool is that? Imagine how you'll be able to use this in your own applications. It works in both Qlik View list boxes and Qlik Sense filter panes, and everything works exactly as before. You still get the power of grey. You can bookmark your data selections using the normal feature. You can fine-tune your selections and do more insights. And also in the September release of Qlik Sense, the size of this list was extended to make it even more powerful. So I hope this has been a useful quick tip. Do try it out and do let us know how you get on. Thank you and goodbye until the next time.